Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. The Kettlebell Isometric Crunch is an exceptionally valuable exercise for building a solid foundation of core stability. By introducing ataxia adaptation techniques, I ensure that individuals with this condition can effectively partake in this workout and reap its immense benefits. Designed for all people and individuals with neurological disorders that affect coordination. This exercise aims to enhance core strength while providing an inclusive fitness experience. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. As demonstrated, during this exercise the kettlebells are there not only to increase strength, but to engage your abdominal muscles while keeping your legs extended. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, obliques, and deep stabilizing muscles, promoting a strong and sculpted core. Incorporating this movement into your fitness routine can improve overall core stability, enhance posture, and even help alleviate lower back pain. Kettlebell isometric crunches are a fantastic exercise for building a strong and toned core, which results in better stability. And when you add kettlebells into the mix, you take it to a whole new level. To start, grab a kettlebell for each hand and lie down on your back. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground and hip width apart. Hold the kettlebell by the horns and extend your arms straight up towards the ceiling. Then legs and feet up and begin to march with head down to begin. Next, to perform a more in-depth kettlebell isometric crunch with extended legs. This is where we want to crunch up. Begin again by lying down on your back with your legs fully extended and a kettlebell in each hand. Engage your core muscles by drawing your navel in towards your spine. Slowly lift your upper body off the ground, aiming to bring your chest towards your knees while maintaining a strong contraction in your abdomen. Throughout the entire movement, remember to breathe steadily and focus on controlling the kettlebell's weight. It is crucial to maintain proper form to avoid straining your neck or back. Feel free to modify the exercise by choosing a kettlebell weight that suits your fitness level. The last exercise, as demonstrated, is another variation of this, but I am doing a pedaling motion with my legs to better enhance the experience. By regularly incorporating the kettlebell isometric crunch with extended legs into your workout routine, you are sure to notice improvements in your core strength, stability, and appearance. Consistency is key, so aim to perform this exercise 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Don't forget to listen to your body and adjust the intensity as needed. Remember, a well-rounded fitness journey involves a balanced mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and let's change the narrative on ataxia. Kettlebell isometric crunches is just another example. Remember, you are stronger than your limitations. Together let's push the limitations of ataxia by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you.